In a beautiful region of northern Croatia, a religious family prayed as they searched for a new school that would provide quality education, good ethics, and moral values. Stjepan's father and mother wanted him to continue his formal education while maintaining the principles he learned at home. Stjepan's parents heard an advertisement on the radio for Maroush avec Adventist School. They listened attentively and wondered if this could be the answer to their prayer. The principal talked with a radio host about school objectives and student life. The parents were quite impressed by what they heard, but Stjepan was not yet convinced that this was God's will for his life. Stjepan often helped his father with yard work around the farm, and as they came home after a workday, he noticed a balloon hanging from a tree. Days earlier, the school faculty and students had strung Bible verses and messages to helium balloons and then released them in the air. Stjepan reached up and grabbed the balloon. He took it inside the house to show his mother. There was a message with a phone number, and they decided to call it. A sweet voice answered them. A lady told them that she would mail them a prize. It was a book written by the school's principal. Stjepan was now convinced that God was directing his way to this secondary school, and as he finished 8th grade, he enrolled and started attending classes at Maroush avec Adventist School. It is here that Stjepan found the positive atmosphere he looked for.
I like the school. Everything is nice here. I like it very much. There are many activities for the students. My favorite one is playing soccer. I was especially impressed by Vespers and studying Bible since I was a Christian when I came to this school.
Maroush avec is also a theological seminary. Through a variety of programs, there are many opportunities for spiritual development. This school is spreading light and influence on the students and the citizens of this community. But they are facing a challenge as more students want to study here.
The Adventist High School Maroush was established 1970 in the beautiful castle. Now the school has 230 students. Our mission is to prepare the youth for the vibrant service in our churches and society. Our vision is to reconstruct the school space, build a dormitory, and make this place to be a center of Adventist lifestyle following the example of Christ.
The planned building will accommodate a new men's dormitory, while the current dormitory will make room for larger classrooms. In the last 10 years, the school has experienced significant growth and appeal, even outside of Adventist circles. But the faculty is facing challenges with limited space and deteriorating facilities. New European standards also require upgrades to secure a license from the Croatian Ministry of Education. Maroush avec Secondary School is one of the largest Adventist educational institutions in Europe. Please pray for the construction of the new building and renovation project, and thank you for your support of the 13th Sabbath offering this quarter. A portion of the funds will assist Maroush avec in continuing to lift the name of Jesus higher.